Hello everyone, welcome back. So here now remove the alert. Then inside it here, generate a unique ID for the new lecture. So that's here you have to just create const. Okay, here const lecture ID equal to the UEY. Okay, V4. Got it. And then after that here create a new lecture object with the generated ID and default title that is a new lecture. So here you have to create the object const new lecture here new lecture equivalent inside it here that is a id index. It is a that is a lecture id. So here you have to write in the lecture id, and then after that here you have to write in the titles. Okay, here title it is a new lecture, new new lecture. Got it. Then here after that retrieve the section id from the curriculum area based on the section index. This is your section index, so you just time onto the section id. Okay, so here you have to define the const section. Okay, section id equal that is a curriculum. Again curriculum. Then here you have the index, guys, section index. Then if it is available, then here you have to access its id. Alright, here is the section id. And then after that here you have to update the state immediately to provide the smooth UX. Okay, just here I want to, guys, here whenever you click here add lecture, then here I want to add the new lectures. Okay, here in the here it's below to the sections here. So for that here we have to create the logic. Okay, so that is a set curriculum functions. Okay, here we have a set curriculum. Then inside it here we have to make the functions. Okay. Here, guys, here you have the previous sections, previous previous section. Okay, here you have to write the previous section. Then inside it here, that is the previous sections dot map. Here write in the previous sections. Okay, dot map functions. Okay, then inside it here here again here you have to make it a reference. And then inside it here you places in the each section as well as index. So you write the sections, then index. Okay, guys, so let me here you have to check the index equal to the section index. Okay, that you got as a parameter. This one section index. Okay, so let me here this is section index. So here I want to add the logic that is a ternary operators. Here it is true. Okay. Then inside object here you have to modify your lectures. Otherwise just it is sections. Just it is sections. So let here inside here here you have to just spread your sections dot then section. Then section here you have the lectures. Right. So here just you have the lecture. Then inside it here inside array that is a section dot lectures. Here is spread your spreads in the sections dot lectures sections section dot lectures. Okay, here you have the lectures. Then here you have to add the new lecture, guys. This one that here you have to create it on the top. This one new lecture you have to add inside it here. Okay, let's now find the document. Then this is a set curriculum. Then after that it's below here prepare the data to be sent in the API request to the server side. Got it. So just now here we have to prepare the data to send to the server side. That is a const data. Then inside here the newly created lecture object, here you have to put inside object new. Next it is here you have your curriculum ID, that is search. Okay, you know that very well. Then after that here, the ID of the section where the lecture is being edited in the server side. That is section. Let me remove this. Then just here you have to write in this section ID. Got it. So this is your section ID. Got it. Your data, new lecture search, then section ID. Got it. Then here after that here send the new lecture data to the backend API for the saving in the database. So just here you have to implement the logic. Let is a const. Here this spelling mistake guys. Const response equal await fetch. Then here that's the backtick dollar symbols. Then inside it here you have to write the process.env dot API and then forward slash. That is the going side element. We have not yet created this API endpoint, but we will create here now. That is the curriculum. Okay, here that is the curriculum. Then forward slash section. Then inside it, that is lecture. Okay, this is a lecture. Here you got this one. That is the await keyword. Okay, so here you have to make your function await. Here this one here. Let's make it async functions. Okay. And then here this is your API endpoint, and then inside it here you have to create the object. So let me here that is a comma, and then inside it here inside it here is the post to create a new lecture. So inside it that is a method. Here it is a method. Here you have the post. Then headers here you have to write the headers away. Inside it that is a content type application JSON. Yes, you write the content type. Content type that is application JSON. Application then forward slash JSONs. Got it. And then here you have to then here it's below here you have to convert the JavaScript object to a JSON string then send to the client side. So in the body here just here in the body. So inside the body here write in the JSON.string file and then inside here you have to write your data. Got it. Here you have to find your document. This is your response match. Okay. Then it's below here. Check if the API request was successful or not. Okay. So on the basis of that here I want to just update your UI. Okay. So here let me do that. So here if you got the successful response from the server side. Okay. So check it here guys. So if the if response is okay, if response not okay, then inside it here. Okay, then inside it here pass in the server response network from the client side. Const saved lecture. Okay, saved lecture equal await response dot response. Okay, then you replace the your optimistic UI update with the actual data that you got from the server side. Okay, so let's do that. Then here inside it here the function that is set curriculum. Set curriculum. Then inside it. Okay. Then here inside it here you have to just this is your previous section. Previous sections. Got it. And then after that here that is the previous section dot map. Previous dot sections. Okay. Previous section dot map functions. Okay. Again inside it we will create another arrow functions. Inside it here we will access the section then index also. So here we access the section then I will index each index. Then inside it here Okay, so inside it here you have to write the index equal to the section index. Here you have to write that is section index. Okay, index is equal to the section index, and then after that we will here use the ternary operator. Okay, then inside it here you have to changes, make the changes. So that is the area of the sections. Okay. Then inside this bracket here, we have to implement the logic. Here you have to spread your sections. Okay. So you write in the dot sections. Then here you have to write in the comma. Then again section dot lectures dot map here. Here you have to access each lectures section dot lectures. Here you have to write in the lectures dot my functions. Then inside it here you have to access the each lectures. Okay, so here inside it here that is a lecture. mm Lecture, got it. This is your lecture, and then here you have to make it out of functions. Got it. Then inside it here, guys. Okay, here inside it here check if lecture dot id index, okay, is equal to the lecture id. So here you have to just write in the lecture dot id index. Okay, id index is equal to the lecture id, lecture id. Okay, if it is equal to that, then again here inside it we will use the ternary operator that you got on the server side. Here you have the saved. Here that is saved. Okay, here saved lecture. Okay, then here you have that is a lecture. Got it. So here the spelling mistakes. Here lecture. Okay, this is your lecture, and here why you got this one. This is sections, then lectures. Something wrong, guys. Maybe here. Okay, here I know that here that is lectures inside. Okay, so this is the, so here basically I want to just update your lectures inside sections. Okay, then otherwise here you have the lecture. Then here just find the document. Then let me close your set curriculum. Okay, then after that we will check the else condition. This is a else if condition. Then inside here go inside else here just log an error message if the request failed. So here you have to run the console. Let's go to log. Inside here it is a fail to add the lecture. Failed to add lecture. Okay, got it. So here you have to find the document. So in the next lecture, basically I want to create this API endpoint. Got it. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lectures.